The Sun is the star at the center of our solar system. It's a big ball of gas and plasma that generates its own energy through nuclear fusion in its core. Being our one and only star, it naturally provides light for the entire solar system. The Sun, which accounts for 99.86% of the mass in the solar system, has a mass approximately 330,000 times that of Earth. It is composed of 3/4 hydrogen and most of its remaining mass is helium. Temperatures inside the Sun can reach a scorching 15 million degrees Celsius, 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. The Sun is classified as a yellow dwarf star, belonging to the main sequence category. Its surface temperatures range between 5,000 and 5,700 degrees Celsius, 9,000 and 10,300 degrees Fahrenheit. The Sun is so massive that over 1 million Earths could fit inside it. The Sun is currently halfway through its life. At 4.5 billion years old, it has already burned off approximately half of its hydrogen reserves and still has enough left to sustain hydrogen burning for another 5 billion years. As of now, the Sun is classified as a yellow dwarf star. It takes approximately 8 minutes for light to travel from the Sun to Earth. The average distance between the Sun and Earth is about 150 million kilometers, 93 million miles. Since light travels at a speed of 300,000 kilometers per second, dividing the distance by the speed gives us 500 seconds, which is equivalent to 8 minutes and 20 seconds. This energy can reach Earth in just minutes, but it takes millions of years to travel from the Sun's core to its surface. One day, the Sun will consume the Earth. After burning through all of its hydrogen, the Sun will continue to burn helium for approximately 130 million years. During this time, it will expand to such a size that it will engulf Mercury, Venus, and Earth. At this point, it will have become a red giant star. Even though the Sun is not solid like Earth, it still undergoes rotation as plasma swirls around its surface. On average, it takes 27 Earth days for the Sun to complete one rotation on its axis, although different parts move at varying speeds. The equatorial regions take only 24 days to complete one rotation, while the polar regions take more than 30 days. A solar eclipse occurs when the Moon aligns with the Sun and Earth, blocking the Sun's light and casting a shadow on Earth. This happens when all three celestial bodies are perfectly aligned. This is because even though the Sun is 400 times larger than the Moon is 400 times closer to Earth. Solar eclipses occur roughly every 6 months, but total solar eclipses, where the Sun is completely obscured by the Moon, are much rarer. They typically happen about every 2 years, although they often occur in remote areas of the Earth. These total eclipses can last for as little as a few seconds, but never for longer than 7 minutes. Solar flares are the largest explosive events in the entire solar system. They occur when the magnetic fields associated with sunspots convert energy into heat and accelerate particles, ejecting them into space. Solar flares are characterized by a burst of photons or light across nearly every wavelength. Typically, scientists measure the ultraviolet rays, X-rays, and gamma rays emitted by these solar flares. These bright flashes typically appear on the surface of the sun and can last anywhere from a couple of minutes to a few hours. Sunspots are cooler areas on the surface of the sun that appear as dark spots in the photosphere. They are temporary patches that appear darker to us compared to the surrounding, warmer plasma. These cooler spots can measure up to 50,000 kilometers across. They are believed to be caused by interactions with particularly strong regions of the underlying magnetic field. These interactions slightly reduce the radiation emitted from the core, resulting in surface cooling. Don't forget to subscribe for more similar videos.